Hello again, we're here at Milam Gap along Skyline Drive. We're going to be crossing the drive shortly to begin the walk down to Camp Hoover. And we're going to be tracking our hike, and as well we're going to be working with waypoints. Let's take a look at how waypoints are used. First, to create one, we go back to our application, MotionX GPS, and we create a waypoint. And we can tap on New Waypoint, Current Location, and then we get a chance to edit it, and we'll go ahead and we'll call it Milam Gap. And what this waypoint is, it's basically a representation of where we are latitude and longitude wise, how high up we are, what time it is, as opposed to tracks, which are collections of waypoints. So we're going to make some more waypoints during this hike, and we'll track it, and then we're going to take a look at both waypoints and tracks in GPS Kit. Okay, we're back now with our track and waypoints from the Camp Hoover Loop hike, and we've made a set called Camp Hoover Loop. We have a track of the same name, and we have 6 waypoints, starting with Milam Gap, where we started our hike, and proceeding from the upper left clockwise to Big Rock Falls, the Creel, Brown House, Appalachian Trail at the Laurel Prong Trail, and Hazeltop. And we can, as well as seeing these all together, we can look at them individually. So here, if we just want to look at the loop, as before, we have the stats, and we also have the graphs. Or if we want to look at an individual waypoint, such as Hazeltop, we've isolated that. Now the real beauty of this is we can also put these waypoints and tracks into like sets. So for instance, we have a set called Mid-Atlantic Mountains that are places we've visited within the last year. And so we can go ahead and we can take these new waypoints, because we've never been to these places, and move them from Camp Hoover Loop into Mid-Atlantic Mountains. Now we've already done this for the 6 waypoints in the track, so I'm not going to move them again. So let's cancel here, and let's just go ahead and take a look at Mid-Atlantic Mountains. And here it is. And we can zoom in on the various waypoints and see them all together like that. We can also allow the map to take up the entire screen. The other really nice thing about this is we can make them visible. By making them visible, that means that they always show up in the map function of GPS Kit. Right now we're in the data function, as you can see on the bottom left of the screen. If we change the map function, these waypoints, they all show up in the map. And what makes that really nice is that if we go ahead and tap on any given waypoint, we get its information. For instance, the one we're on right now, Milam Gap, and it tells us how far away we are from it, and we can also tap there and get some more information. And also we can share to Facebook or Twitter. And we can do this with any of the waypoints on this map. Here's always a good one to pick. The Old Rag Summit. So this is fantastically useful and fun for organizing our waypoints. Makes it really easy to share them. It makes them really easy to recall if we need to go back someplace that we've been, and it's just very enjoyable. And I highly encourage you to look into GPS Kit as well as the other app we've been using, MotionX GPS, and track your hikes and make waypoints. Bye for now.